The skeletons here are confirmed to be sailors and pirates. Our best guess is that they're fleeing the British Navy and sought refuge on the island. The skeletons here are confirmed to be sailors and pirates. Our best guess. The pirates and sailors are involved in some kind of internal conflict. We were assuming it was over the precious artifacts that were recovered from this cave. There are bite marks on some of the bones that appear to be human. We had to extract some of the team as they fell ill. We have to assume they disturbed something near the bodies. We're going to be using hazmat suits from now on. We know it's not safe.
This is an automated message from our corporation. Mandatory curfew is in effect. Please stay inside. Please stay inside. Automated message from our corporation. Mandatory curfew is in effect. Please stay inside. This is an automated message from our corporation. Mandatory curfew is in effect.
Is that the rain? Hello? Hello? Oh god, yes, you did it. Is there anyone there? This is an SOS. I repeat, an SOS. Does anyone copy? The island has been overrun. Our corporation have been stopping all broadcast messages from the island. We need immediate military assistance.
Her er kystvakten. Kan du oppgi koordinatene dine? This is the Norwegian Coast Guard. Please state your coordinates.
We're at approximately 72 degrees, 59 minutes and 6 seconds north, and 2 degrees, 51 minutes and 54 seconds east.
Okay. I have to inform you, there is an active government defense operation on the way at your position. We are requesting clearance. Stand by.
Hello? Hello? Coast Guard? Anyone there? What government defense operation? What are you talking about? Coast Guard, are you there? Is anyone there? Someone pick up.
Commence expunge. Observer plans. 72 degrees, 59 minutes and 6 seconds north. 2 degrees, 51 minutes and 54 seconds east.
Oh no.
Commence expunge.
No. No, this isn't happening.
59
Get out of there!
minutes and 6
Anyone listening to this, leave the island right now, by whatever means you can. Anyone on this frequency, just go. Why the hell would they do this?
72 degrees,